You know, guys, when you upload your video, straight away there was something you have to do even before you didn't do any other things. People, they don't know all those things, but now I'm going to show you the importance of that. I myself, when I post a video, straight away I go to my channel and I change that channel, and you see I just see switch channel and take the other channel that I'm using and go sharing my video. It's normally it's something funny. People, they're gonna say like, why you do this? The reason I'm doing that is when you are going to post your video on spot, you don't need even to wait even 2 to 3 minutes. You have to be the first person to comment your video by yourself. Why you are doing that? To tell YouTube algorithm like this content people they're interesting, then YouTube they start recommend your video to other people. So you don't know which Gmail I'm using, okay? But you know this is my other account, but you don't know which Gmail. I always go to my channel and I be the first person to comment there. The reason I'm doing that is to make YouTube algorithm to understand like this content it is on the right way, people they like it. So on that time YouTube is going to share your content. Do you know that? Maybe yes, no, I don't know. But for me, I do that. And please, if you're a small YouTuber and you go a backup account, this is the chance and you are going to hit your target. Try to do this. You are going to come here and tell me, Diamond, what do you tell me? Bro, helping me. This is how my channel now is performing. Why I'm saying that? I've already tried and I'm doing all the time. Even today when I posted my video, I did the same. I go straight out and I comment. You know my Gmail? No. But there was one Gmail. If you follow my all video from the bottom until the one I post today, you are going to see one Gmail is always commenting there. The first comment, that is my Gmail. I'm using that one because of to make YouTube algorithm to understand this is the right time to post and this person like this content, so push this channel to other people to start seeing this content. So you see, that's the tip. Also, you are going to play with the YouTube algorithm. If you didn't do that, you are going to wait until people to come and start watching your content and start commenting. You are going to lose, and again YouTube is not going to pick your channel straight away to the people that they are going to watch your channel. But to watch yourself for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, I don't know how many minutes your video is, not going to affect anything from you unless you are going to gain a lot of people to come to start commenting. Please and please, if you're a small YouTuber, create another account. Create another account as a backup. That is another backup is going to push your channel, your main channel, to the top one. Why I'm saying that? The more you are going to comment to this channel on that account, the more you are going to push this one to the top, and other people will start seeing that channel, and YouTube itself algorithm is going to realize like, wow, this content is nice, people they like it. Then it start recommending to different people. To recommend to different people on YouTube is not something big deal, okay? But it depends like how you are going to push your channel by yourself. If you didn't push your channel, no one is gonna come and say to you, I'm here to come to recommend your channel to you. No, when you post your video, wait your comment on there. After half an hour or 2 minutes, 2 hours or 1 hour, take it to YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, wherever you want to share, then you can share on that time. But the first 1 hour, half an hour even, don't share. Go with your other Gmail, comment, leave, wait until you get YouTube algorithm pick your channel and understand about your channel power, how is this video is performing with other people. Then let me try to push. Don't worry, I myself, I go some video 1 week, you can see a video I will post it like 1 week, it's still 20 people, 30 people are watching. The next week or the third day or the fourth day or the second day, you see the video start picking that time, then start running and running. You see like people are coming, you start shocking like, why is this video going viral like this within this the 4th day or the 5th day or 1 week? Because of what? you give that time YouTube to understand this content is for this and these people are interesting. Because everything we are doing now, don't expect people that are going to watch on spot now. No, some of them there might be on future people when they are going to come to search. Okay, so don't expect your content people they're gonna watch straight away. When you post it straight away, people they're gonna watch. No, some of them they might come through on search. When people they are going to search like how to do this, where can I get this, what is this, then your channel might be the top of those videos people are searching. Then on that time YouTube will start seeing like, wow, this content people are keep searching and we got this content. People when they see they click it, let me recommend to this one now. They will start recommend your video even after 1 year. Don't expect even everything gonna work within today. No, I got one of my video and I was showing you my other video I did, video which I got 6 years in my other YouTube channel, 6 years, but it's still up to today that video is still doing good. People they still viewing because sometimes I get 100 people, sometimes I get 60 people, sometimes I get 30 people that are still viewing every day. And it's 6 years, not 1 year or 3 months or 2 weeks, 6 years video. 2024 people that are still watching that video. So why? Because when people they search, YouTube recommend that content, like this is the content. They show like your content to be the first than other content. So that's the best. When you're going to create any content, don't expect only now. Think about on future people that are going to come to search. Is it going to work on that? That's the best way always do on your content. Guys, that's what I'm telling you. If you go at Gmail, now is the secret I'm giving you guys. Always when you're going to upload your video, you finish the first person, be you. Go and view your channel, leave your comment, like the video, bye-bye. Then wait people from outside to start coming, because when YouTube they share your content to 10 people, on that 10 people maybe 5 they are offline, then 5 they are just busy with something. 1 person and you watch, you will be 2 people you watch that content. YouTube they start saying like, maybe these people, because these 2 people they are online and they see this content and they watch it, so it means this content is good. Let me try to recommend this content to different people, so it might be a lot of people to start watching. But if you yourself you didn't watch and the people YouTube recommend them they are offline, so on that time it's going to show like this content no one interesting, then YouTube is going to put aside. So this is the secret. If you don't have a YouTube backup Gmail, create now. You can create even 1000 Gmail. Google doesn't say like how many Gmail you go. Why do you create all this Gmail? You are not going to get a letter. So why you don't want to create even 1000 Gmail? Then keep your Gmail as your another gun you are going to shoot from there, because the time you're going to get, okay, this is time I post my video, go with this, comment, like, leave it, wait other people to start coming. When other people they start coming and start watching, then it's the time YouTube is going to start pushing your channel, because you know like even the first second people they watch, so this content is good, let me start recommend to different people. So thank you very much guys, see you next video, bye bye.